Alright guys, welcome back to the Walkaround tours. We're here in FALIRAKI. We're going to take a little walk, show you Walkaround. You know the vibe. Right, so these restaurants at night time look spectacular. Let me know if you've ever eaten in this one. What's it called? Oni? I don't know how you pronounce that with a O and an E at the end. There's a lot of rental places here. I think last year it was €50, and it's not per day for the bike. It's literally for 12 hours. When you come pick it up. Look, my boy here just got one here. They're very cool. You just need a car driving license for them, and they let you take them. But yeah, €50 it was last year for a car. And it's one of these small ones like this. Like I said, it's for 12 hours. So when you pick it up, I think you can pick it up from 8 a.m. and then obviously then you need to get it back for 8 p.m. because they need to check it and close. So yeah, I think it's a bit of a bum deal if I'm honest with you. You've got to take it for 2 days and then obviously you can take it for 24 hours. And then the next day, again, by 8 p.m. you've got to get it back to them. But that was the one company I used, so let me know in the comments if you take a car for a day around here, do they let you have it for a full day and bring it back the next day? This bar, restaurant, what's it called? Manolis, Tavina. At night time, absolutely beautiful. You sit around these gardens, you have your meals, it's all lit up, looks beautiful. Yeah. Everyone's just getting ready for the day. I think it was Coco, I said it on the last one. Coco up here on the right, but we'll see if it's called Coco. Really nice again at night time. It was a brand new bar it was for last year. Absolutely stunning. We did a little short on it. I think I made a video walking to it. I don't know if I actually put that one out. But yeah. Got the Greek way. Like I said, always these restaurants run by the locals that live here. Let me know, because in Zante there's a lot of Albanians, like the Greek restaurants are run by Albanians. So let me know if that's the same here. This place looks really new actually, is it new? Beauty, is that new? Don't know if I remember seeing that last year. Sweating there guys. I think my phone said it was 23 degrees. It ain't 23, that's 23 in the shade. It's really, really hot. Must be like 27 now. I think we're getting up to beer o'clock, aren't we? I haven't even checked the time today. Just got out, started recording. Check this one out. Again, at night time, these places all come to life. Got some nice seating at the back as well. All the banana trees. Yeah, it was Coco. Let's go and have a quick look at Coco. I might circle back up. But yeah, this road here takes you straight to FALIRAKI, where Bar Street is. So Bar Street up there, left one here up to the main road. This one down to the beach. It's on the left. They still haven't fixed up the left side. Why not actually go down there because I need to go down. Well, why not? Why not? Saying no, but let's go down it. Come on. So yeah, they are building around here still. But on the other side, they finished some places. Coco, really nice place. Looks beautiful at night. Like I said, a lot of these places look absolutely stunning at night time. Daytime they look beautiful as well. I mean, that's what I've got to start saying. So I've always said before, oh, this one's really nice. Looks really nice. Looks can be deceiving, can't they, guys? But yeah. Coco, lit up at night time, you've got this lights going on, them lampshades look cool. What I'll do is I'll come round tonight, so we'll be doing a lot of nightlife. Walkaround After Dark series will be back in force tonight. Out recording. Let me know if you ever stayed in these suites here as well, because this is what, Abbey Suites, you're right on it. But people stay on Bar Street actually. My mate Shelley, she's staying there. I don't know if I could just stay on top of Bar Street. Where I'm staying actually is on the main road, but I'm just off out of the back. But yeah, hopefully some of these buildings will be done. So it's going to be a barber. So yeah, hopefully they're done in the next couple of months or ready for 2027 season. These ones like this, you know what I mean? What happened? Why you stop? Why you stop, eh? So you've got Apollo rooms over there. This one here. One of these, you've got a little roof terrace on it. So 1 to 12 every day. Gyros with pork for €6. That's the same as on the main road as well. But yeah, lovely blue. The Greek blue. This is the one with the ice cream. This one has go up on the roof. Go up on the roof for this one. You know, you've got the stairs there. And yeah, I'm guessing you can see beautiful views. Your gelato. Yeah, definitely worth going up there and checking it out. I won't be doing it right now, but yeah, I'll do it tonight because I think at night time it's going to look stunning. So what's that over there? This is Marrakesh. Oasis Pleasure. What is that? Is that just... I didn't see no hotel like that. But anyway, let me know what that means, please, in the comment. Remember guys, if you're not subscribed, please make sure you are subscribed still, because I don't know, I've heard other people say it. But yeah, if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe please, because it really will help us. I think 90%, I'm going to drop it like I said to this year to 90%, because I haven't checked. Last year it was about 96, this year must be 90. Some of you guys who watch all our beautiful videos are not subscribed. But yeah, please subscribe. This one, age limit, look. Do not bring the brats. No brats allowed. Peace off with your kids. What do you think of that, guys? What do you think, eh? 11 plus. Oh, I could see through there. There was a pool there. Behind there's a pool. I know if you stayed there before. So you got back of Demetria. Restaurant and boutique rooms. Oh, maybe it's their boutique rooms on this side. Let's see, can we sneak and have a look? Can we have a look through there? No, you cannot see. I've got to put it up. I'm not going to do that. Might be someone's private pool at the back of their house or shared one. Yeah, you got the beach right here. Just walked along that one. We're going to head to Bar Street. So you've got little ones like this that are not doing anything. I mean, it looks a bit in ruins. And then you've got absolutely stunning on the left. So this is what Greece is about at the moment. Until everything is fully been renovated and done, you've got the absolute stunning sides. Look at that pool. Look at that water. Beautiful. And now you've got apartments upstairs. If you're staying in that one, it'd be great. And on the flip side, you've got that. So, you know, this is Greece. That's what we like about it, to be fair. It's not all just wham bam in your face, it's, you know, a bit of ruggedness to it. You got that's Portobello at the backside. Right there, it's coming up to Bar Street. I'm sweating. Oh, it's Monkey Beach. That's what that bar was called. In my last video I said I couldn't remember what that one's called. Monkey Beach. Monkey. Hey up, Monkey. Big shout out to Andy. And Al actually. Al just added me on Facebook. Give you a bigger shout out when we get to Silla V in a few days. But yeah, I'm going to go up here, go to Jamaica Bar, get a drink, sit down. But no, I'm going to go Breeze actually, I'm not going to Jamaica. I want to steal our name and not do jerk chicken. So no, we're going to Breeze. Get myself a large beer, chill out, wait for Sabrina. I need some food actually. Just had like one of them chocolate croissants for breakfast. We've gone 12, so it wasn't really breakfast, was it? A bit of a big boy. Really fancy a fry up, that's what I want actually. See if anyone does an all day breakfast up here. I'm gonna get myself a breakfast. So that Jamaica Bar's got Jamaica Apartments at the top as well. So yeah. Let's get in here. See if my friends and Bruce. I mean, if you go to Antalya and then you go to Alanya, got all the different names of places there. Everyone's just run by Turkish. So I do not enjoy Indian cuisine in Turkey. And I think I've never tried the Chinese cuisine, but again, if it's just Turkish people making it, then I probably won't enjoy it. But I will try one time, give everything one try. But yeah, I went to Masala in Marmaris. Absolutely terrible. Hello. Oh, here they are. Oh yeah. Here they are. Right, anyway guys, I'll catch you in the next one.